In this video, I will share 3 basic tips to utilize hashtag. When applied properly, hashtag can make it easier for users to find related content. This free tool is an effective way to get more eyes on your post. Let's get started now. The first tip is using relevant and specific hashtag. Don't string too many words together. If must use super long character hashtag, you can capitalize the first letter, as hashtag are not case sensitive. Next, limit the number of hashtags you use. Research what is the sweet spot of numbers of hashtags to get the optimum result for each social media platform. Make use of hashtag generator tools to get more insight about the most suitable set of hashtags. You can research using display purposes, hashtag for like, all hashtag, or even the native Instagram search bar to get the data. The second tip is about branding and marketing. Users across social media always searching for something by using the search bar or explore function. Having your own signature or unique hashtag is a good way to build your brand and community. Time to time, we see many big players running hashtag-based campaign or promotion, and people really follow that to win a prize or to get featured. Once you stay consistent about your branded hashtag and user applying that to their post, then you will have a lot of user-generated content, or we know as UGC, for your marketing material. The Twitter trends or the TikTok Discover always can find the most popular hashtag at that moment. The third tip is fully utilize Instagram hashtag feature. How many of you already include your branded hashtag in your Instagram profile? Add hashtag to your Insta stories as well. If you want the Instagram post clean, you can post your hashtag at the first comment. Another time saver tip, you can schedule your Instagram IGTV post using the Creator Studio, as it's completely free and easy to use. Make sure you didn't use the banned hashtag, as Instagram bot might mark your account as spam and risking your account. Pay attention to all the latest features from Instagram so you can fully harness the power of hashtag to your business, as users always curious about new things. Okay, that's all for the 3 basic tips to utilize hashtag. Hashtag able to create incredible results if you use it correctly to your digital marketing campaign. And please don't spam hashtag. Thanks for watching and see you again. Remember to like, comment and share this video.